Welcome back to my channel. It's Dennis from Simplify Investing. Today I want to come at you with another video in regards to SSP, ticker symbol SSP, the Scripps company. It's a company that Warren Buffett has come out and take an accusation in that he wants to buy stock from this company in order for them to get back up a deal that they are acquiring. As you can see here, I pulled up their chart on Yahoo Finance. They're up 3% today. The stock has been incredibly volatile. Today I saw it as high as up 6% on the day. As you can see here, it's a very small market cap company. It's trading at a $975 million market cap. When this news was announced, it was at about an $850 million market cap. So you could tell that Warren Buffett alone, just his name, raised the market cap about $100 million. You can see here, they do pay a dividend of 20 cents, which is almost 2%. So that's a little bit good. Volume's been tremendous these past few days. This was announced Wednesday after close. So Thursday's when we saw the real spike. As you can see here, it's almost at 1.5 million, a little bit under that. Average volume is 400,000. I think this company is a little bit outdated, but if you know anything about Warren Buffett, he likes old style companies like industrials, financials, et cetera, et cetera. He does have his largest position being Apple. These right here are the 9 biggest positions that Warren Buffett owns, but he ended up buying this company way after its run up, and he even admitted that this is one of his biggest regrets. As you can see here, Warren Buffett started buying Apple stock, his first 10 million back in May 2016. He has come out multiple times and said that he really doesn't understand tech. He doesn't see growth. And if you know anything about him, he values companies that are like undervalued, right? He looks for the good deal that's not priced correctly for its growth, and he tries to get the best bang for his buck. And usually in tech, you're usually paying a premium, so that's like the opposite of what he's usually used to. But again, he's changing up the way he's investing tremendously lately. He invested into Snowflake. Snowflake was an IPO a software IPO that came out, I believe, like a week or two ago. And he bought some shares prior to the IPO, and just his name backing that company. That company was already a great company that was IPOing. That was a very hot stock. But when he came out and started announcing that he was going to back up that IPO and buy some shares, that company just blew up. Before he announced that he was going to buy shares, they were going to price that IPO at about $90. It ended up opening at about $220. So you could see the power that just Warren Buffett has. And I'm sure he made almost 100% of his money back easily. And he probably still has a lockup period, so he hasn't probably sold yet. But I'm sure he'll still do tremendously well on that position. But again, Bank of America, financial company, very old school, very simple to understand. Coca-Cola, American Express, another bank company. Industrials, very basic companies, very easy to understand. That's kind of what he likes to invest in. So I pulled up the article of Warren Buffett. As you could see, he bought, Scripps agrees to buy Ion Media for $2.65 billion in Berkshire-backed deal. It's pretty interesting news. A few things I wanted to point out. He plans to make a $600 million preferred equity investment in Scripps to help finance the purchase of closely held Ion. Scripps said in a press release Thursday. This is pretty interesting. As you can see here, he also will get a warrant to purchase as many as 23 million Class A shares at $13 a piece. Pretty interesting. And as you can see here, just when that news was announced, the stock soared almost 33%. I actually wanted to show that spike on Yahoo Finance. Look at that chart. So I went from about $10.47 all the way to $13 where it opened, and it kind of just went down, went back up, and just kept going down, right? Ion Media, based in West Palm Beach, Florida, was launched in 2007. A few of their popular crime shows are Law & Order, NCIS Los Angeles. I'm going to pull up a few different pictures so maybe you're familiar with. Blue Bloods, Criminal Minds, CSI Miami, Law & Order. These are just a few of the popular shows that they own. So it's pretty interesting what they're doing. I'm not sure really how I feel about this. I think media companies that are specifically television specific are in a little bit of trouble. They do have some headwinds just because of the whole illness that's going around. A lot of companies ended up pulling back their advertising. As you can see here, stations have suffered drops in advertising sales during the whole illness, but they do have some to benefit from the political ads that are going on right now due to the election in November. But is your business going to come back in past the election? I'm not really sure. I hope it does, but we'll see. I guess we'll have to see to see what happens. But again, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.